Hello, good morning, students. Today I am live now with an interesting topic of class 8. So please join quickly as you can avail the facility provided by the Nath Management. So here I am teaching you metal and non-metal chapter number 4. In this chapter I have taught you so many things earlier as introductions of metal and non-metals, physical properties of metals, and chemical properties of metals. And now today I am going to discuss about the usage of metals. So I hope you are listening to me, and I am discussing now the usage of metals. Here I have written first of all the usage of sodium atoms. Sodium atoms, as you know, it is very reactive and it is used as reagent in laboratory, as a laboratory reagent, and in electric bulb it is used as vapor. You have listened perhaps about sodium vapor lights. That is the usage of sodium, and it is also used as reducing agents when there is reaction takes place. And second metal is magnesium, about which I am writing here some usage. The first usage of magnesium is it is used in fireworks, in ignition mixtures, and in preparations of two important alloys, duralumin and magnesium. The two alloy duralumin and magnesium alloys are made by using magnesium metals. Now the another metals, number C here, zinc. As you know, zinc is used as galvanizations. It is used in the galvanizations of matter. जब लेप चढ़ाया जाता है तो उसी को हम लोग कहते हैं galvanizations, so that it can protect the metals. In galvanizations, it is used in galvanization. Okay. Another usage of magnesium, it is used as containers of dry cell. Used as containers of dry cells, containers of dry cell. Are you getting right? Now it is used in extractions of gold and silver. It is used in extractions, in the extraction of gold and silver. What is the extractions of metal? The pure metals. To get pure metals from the ore, the process included in it is called as extractions of metal. Understood? And another usage of zinc is it is used for manufacturing of paints, drugs, and face powders. Another usage, it is used in the manufacturing of manufacturing of paint, dust and face powder. Okay. And the last usage, it is used in making of alloys such as brass, German silver. Alloy in making alloy, for example, brass and German silver. Okay, so these are the uses of zinc. Now look at the usage of aluminum. Aluminum is used, please listen one by one. It is used in making cables and overhead transitions wire because of good conductor of electricity. You know the aluminum is a good conductor of electricity, so it is used in you can take the screenshots as I am written. If you have no book, if you have book, then please note or underline the things written on page number 70. Look at page number 70, and it is a good conductor, so it is used in making cable and overhead transmissions wire. Cable and overhead transmission wire. Transmission wire means overhead, means there are two types of transmission wire. One is underground, that is under the earth, and overhead means above our head. The wire climbing on the pole, जो पोल पर लटकता हुआ तार है ना, उसी को ओवरहेड वायर कहा जाता है, और जो अंडरग्राउंड केबल होता है उसे अंडरग्राउंड वायर कहा जाता है। इसमें आप लोग देखे होंगे एल्युमिनियम वायर का ही उपयोग किया जाता है। दूसरा यूजेज है एल्युमिनियम का कि इसका फॉयल बनाया जाता है, जिसको हम लोग चॉकलेट पैकिंग, आप लोग मिठाइयों पर और चॉकलेट में थिन फॉयल देखते होंगे, एक पतला परत देखते होंगे, उसमें एल्युमिनियम का ही प्रयोग किया जाता है। फिर आप लोग देखे होंगे कि विंडो फ्रेम, आजकल जितने भी बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स होते हैं या उसमें विंडो बनाने के लिए लोग चीप एंड बेस्ट मेटल के रूप में एल्युमिनियम का ही प्रयोग करते हैं, कारण इसमें जंग कम लगता है और ड्यूरेबिलिटी इसमें लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होता है, समझे। एंड ये थोड़ा हल्का मेटल भी होता है, जिसके कारण हम लोग इसे कहीं पर आसानी से फिट कर सकते हैं। दैट्स वाई इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन विंडो फ्रेम एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ रेसिस्टेंस टू एक्शन ऑफ एयर, और इस पर हवा और मॉइस्चर, नमी का भी प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता है और हवा का भी प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता है। इसके कारण इसका उपयोग हम लोग विंडो फ्रेम के रूप में करते हैं। सो इट इज़ यूज्ड इन विंडो फ्रेम। सेकेंड, aluminum foil are used in packing of chocolates, biscuits, cigarettes, medicines, edge its foil in packaging. Understood? and due to lightness it is used for making bodies of aeroplane. हमारा जो हवाई जहाज बने होते हैं they used aluminum metals to make its body. Understood? So body of aeroplane is made by aluminum metals, and the preparations of white paint used for preparing white paint. So now you can take a screenshot of it, and you have to remember these are the things. Now let us look the usage of chromium. Chromium alloy, nichrome alloy is used for making heating elements of electric heaters. In electric heaters, the wire of nichrome is made up of chromium wire. So usage of chromium इसका उपयोग जो हम लोग करते हैं हीटर में इलेक्ट्रिक वायर के रूप में नाइक्रोम वायर, नाइक्रोम एक एलॉय है जो क्रोमियम के उपयोग से बनाया जाता है. नाइक्रोम एलॉय used in heater. So students, these are the things I have discussed. You have to remember it. In the next video I shall meet again. Till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.